Hello dear students, good morning to all of you. Today we will discuss about our next chapter, chapter number 5th, arithmetic progression. Okay, arithmetic that means calculation, progression means that progress to the towards or backwards. Okay, progress will be towards or backward side. Okay, with the arithmetics. Okay, so this is called arithmetic progression. Okay, so arithmetic means that the calculation will be processed, okay, according to follow some basic rules of patterns of the given pattern, given numbers. This is called arithmetic progression. Okay dear students, so let's see examples. This is introduction parts. This chapter will be scoring chapter and very easily. Okay, just like a girl, a working woman will be hired for the work at the monthly salary of 8,000 rupees. Okay, these examples are given in your books. 8,000 rupees per month. And yearly increment is 500 rupees yearly. Okay, that means when she had joined at the year of 2017. Okay, and this 2017 is her salary is 8,000 rupees, and in 2018 her salary will be 8,500 rupees. Okay, in 2019 her salary will be 9,000 rupees. Okay, and in 2020 her salary now 9,500 rupees. That means it is follow the some rules and the pattern. Okay, so this is a arithmetic progression. Okay dear students, so this is called arithmetic progression. Let's see one more examples. Example number 2. Here is given ladders and there is a rungs 1 2 3 4 5, and here is said the rungs will be decreases according to size in 2 centimeter when increasing of height. Okay, when increasing height, then its size will be decreased in 2 centimeter. Okay dear students, that means when its size is 9 centimeter, then next one size is 7 centimeter, next one size is 5 centimeter, next one size is 3 centimeter. So this can be follow some rules and patterns. Okay, there is a rule is -2 is decreasing when increasing of height. Okay, when it is going to more 3 and furthermore, then it's become a patterns. Okay, just like here when I write here just like 9 7 5, then the fourth you can already find out because the pattern is followed. 9 minus 2 is 7, 7 minus 2 is 5, 5 minus 2 is 3. Okay, that means this is a pattern. Example number 2. Okay, now here some more examples of this. Here given a one pattern. Okay, that means the next pattern you can observe very easily. Just like here 1 to 2, that means there is a plus 1. 2 to 3, that means there is a plus 1. Okay, and 3 to 4, that means there is a plus 1. That means the next number is plus 1, that means 5. Okay dear students, so there is a increment of 1, and here when we move to the 100 to 70, that means there is a decrement of 30. When we move 70 to 30, that means there is decrement of 30. When we move 40 to 10, that means there is decrement of 30. That means here is a +1 increment, here is -30 decrement, and here there is a increment. ठीक है, just like here, क्योंकि लोग माइनस से प्लस क्यों जा रहे हैं, ठीक है. That means we can set increment just like here, and in which there is a pattern. That means increment is 0 and decrement is 0. That means 0 is okay, and in which minus 0.5 is increment. Okay, dear students. So this is a following the patterns and rules, and in which each number is called terms. ठीक है, यहीं पर ही हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, जितने भी, जैसे कि लाइक हियर -1, दिस इज कॉल्ड टर्म. ठीक है, मतलब यहाँ पे जितने भी नंबर्स हैं, these are the known as a terms. So the basic definition of arithmetic progression is said. Arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to a proceeding to term except the first term. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट टर्म्स होता है, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जो फर्स्ट टर्म जस्ट लाइक 1 2 3 4, फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ करके बाकी जितने भी प्रोसीडिंग टर्म्स है, ठीक है, इन सभी में क्या होता है, एडिंग अ फिक्स्ड नंबर. हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, एक फिक्स नंबर ऐड कर रहे हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ कॉमन डिफरेंस. इसी का हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं, कॉमन डिफरेंस बोलते हैं. ओके, एंड इट कैन बी डिनोटेड बाय ए, एंड सेकंड वन इज द ए प्लस डी, which is a d. That means d is a here 1, d is a 1, which is and a is a 1. Okay, this is adding to the initial difference. That means that is 1, that means 1 plus and 1, d is 1, that means 2, and a plus 2d. Okay, that means क्या हो जाएगा, this is 1 plus 2, and what is d? d is a 1, that means it is 3. वैसे ही करते करते क्या हो जाएंगे, it will be proceed. Okay, and common difference is will be both minus and positive, दोनों ही हो सकते हैं वहां पे. Okay dear students, तो ये चीजें आपको समझनी थी. यहाँ पे व्हाट इज फिक्स्ड नंबर, फिक्स्ड नंबर क्या होता है, ठीक है, इसमें फर्स्ट टर्म को छोड़ करके बाकी जो जितने भी टर्म्स होते हैं, दिस विल बी अ प्रोसीडिंग टू एनी नंबर्स, एंड इट विल बी प्रोसीड a plus 3d, a plus 4d, and up to so on. So this is called this is a general form. Okay, general form of arithmetic progressions. Now finite AP and infinite AP. ठीक है, infinite finite arithmetic progression, infinite arithmetic progression. finite का मतलब होता है fixed number. ठीक है, when we talking about 1 to 10, there is a fixed number. Okay, मतलब यहाँ से 1 to 10, this it can be follow up any specific patterns and rules. Okay, so this is called finite number. Okay, when हम लोग ने इससे पहले जो एग्जांपल्स डिनोट किया था, उसमें हम लोग ऐसा डॉट से डिनोट करते थे. ठीक है, तो दिस इज कॉल्ड इनफाइनाइट arithmetic progression, in which we don't know the arithmetic progression will be moving up to the which numbers. ठीक है, so this is called infinite AP. Finally our introduction part of chapter 5 is over. Okay dear students, next video we will discuss about some topic of the exercise 5.1. Okay dear students.